Okay, I've got this little channel here. Alright, it's my straight edge. That's at 24.5 right there, the middle of that arrow. So we come down here. There it is, and that arrow. Okay, I've added my screw. There's my screw holding it in place so it don't move. Alright. Then I'm going to come over here. This hole I have already pre-drilled in this, so I can just come in here and just get this set. I can screw this in. Alright. Or I can drive it in with a hammer. Just like that. Okay, so we're set now. I can take my drywall knife and begin to cut. Okay, now this allows me to come along and take my drywall knife, put my foot on this channel. Just keep this knife right up against your edge here and just cut. Alright. Quick and easy. Bam, done. Okay. Now I'm going to fold this and snap it. Okay, let's move this. I pulled up the screws already. Alright. Set that to the side. Bring this up. Okay. Then we're just going to snap forward, put my knee in it. Bam. Alright. There we have it. Just like that. Now we just flip it over, right? Just take this. Flip it over. Like so. Alright. And we just come down here and we cut. Bam. Okay. We've got her cut. Okay, I've measured up to 89.5, and that's at this point here. Okay, and at this point right here, alright. Now this is one way to do it. Take your tape measure and pull it tight. You can use a level, any type of a straight edge, piece of wood even that fits straight. Just hold your level here. Alright, level. Hold your tape measure right there on your pencil lines. And then just score the paper and keep it right next to your pencil line. Alright, as you see I'm going off of it a little bit. Be right here by it. Then bam. Okay. You can score it again. Stay. Now you can kind of direct where you're going. Alright, stay down in your groove. Alright. Bam. And remember, this is real forgiving. So, alright, let's bring this up. Alright, and you just kind of take my knee and push my knee into this right here at the joint. And bam, there it is. Take a razor knife, backside, drywall knife, come right up through it. And that's how you do that on all drywall. Alright, now, am I at 89.5? Let's find out. Let's zoom in here. And we're going to see, moment of truth. 89.5, there it is. Alright, that's where we got to really zoom. Okay. 89.5. Right there it is. 89.5. Perfect. Okay. Now, that's a quick, easy way for your drywall to cut it. You measure up whatever the length is on both sides. Cut it across. Or cut the length of it, mark it, and each side, and you can make your cuts. Alright, quick and easy. Now, as far as the stump chair, here's an update on the stump chair, and the next will be the update on the footstool. That'll be the next video. Alright. You can see this looks like gold leaf with the pearl around the edge of the bullnose right there, the round over. Alright. There's my armrest that I sanded into it. Alright. And then you can see the orange and some of the red and the browns and the gold. Alright. There is the base. Okay. Let's zoom out. Alright, there's that. Okay. Now the back side I may leave unfinished at this point. And I may go ahead and do the back side. That's kind of ugly. And I may leave this. I may just put a clear coat over this and leave it as is. Just leave it natural with the clear coat. Alright, as we come around, there's the front. Okay. That's a good girl. Yeah, it's a good summer breeze. Alright. So, subscribe, like, share, comment. Put it in a playlist if you think it's good enough. Easy 2 tips and tricks. We appreciate your time. We appreciate your support. And as always, united we stand, and united we make it happen here on YouTube. And never give up, because there truly is always a way, always. So don't be discouraged. You can do it. Bye for now. Bye.